Cameras are on.
Hey, welcome back. It's Iris, Edward, Lisa, Alex, and Joanne. And today we'll be making chicken.
This is so cute.
We have wheat and flour,
Yes.
green onions, ginger.
Oh, slow down.
Okay. Ginger,
Yes.
cauliflower,
Yes.
green onions,
Yes.
garlic,
Nice.
assortment of sauces,
Explain.
sesame oil,
Rice vinegar and soy sauce.
Okay.
and tapioca starch. Oh, we have chicken too.
Wow, very nice. So we got the flour over here.
Yeah.
Lisa's working on the flour, mixing the, is that like pepper and flour? And then we got Edward doing the eggs. He's already got the mix.
It's really hot. Unseasoned though. It's really hot. It's really hot. It's really hot.
Take a bite. Take a small bite. Did you double fry, Edward?
Yes.
Oh, these are the double fried ones.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. I'll enjoy the pain.
Oh, is that like a big chunk of garlic?
It's not garlic. It's cornstarch.
Oh,
No, but it's tapioca starch.
we got them on little Guatemala plates.
Guatemala.
Did I say? Oh, sorry. I just said Guatemala, my bad.
I was like, what country are we in?
Oh my god, I think it was something else. I'm such an idiot. Whoa. It's so sticky. I don't know how to plate this well. Does anyone know how to plate food well?
That is new. Oh, wait. What do you have? So sticky, guys. Oh my gosh. You guys worked hard.
They worked hard.
Yeah, they worked so hard. I'm actually cooked chicken, guys. Your chicken is that shape because of me. Thank you. Another batch. Oh.
noodle 是反正泡在水里面的。
We have a fried
对
chicken.
嘛？Sweet
Like for example, 红豆汤.
Yes.
什么
Right?
什么红豆
These are all
汤？
chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken,
What's
chicken.
the红豆汤 ？Like this dessert.
Thank you.
What character and whatever you get. And so if you actually, if you look right here, there's Peach, Ryan, and then this other character. We literally both got the ones we wanted. And the cute thing is that you put it on here.
Is this a tea bag?
You're supposed to plant like. And then this one is like water. And then this other one is 你坐在
This is adorable.
就坐在这边. And Alex said, because he actually picked this one up, and he said that this one was him, like reigning in the army, and this is like me. So that is it for this video. You guys want to say what was your favorite part or like fun part? Christine, why don't you go first? Actually, you guys want to share?
I wasn't here for the entire video until now, so hello.
Lisa, what was your favorite part?
Oh, definitely eating.
You contributed to cutting the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken was that shape because of me.
Alright, what about you guys? You guys,
Cooking
what
with
was
my
it?
sous chef.
Okay, end of the video. Bye. I'm kidding. What about you, Alex? What was your favorite shot that you
I was just
filmed?
very happy that we made salty chicken today. I mean, orange chicken. My bad. Orange chicken. My bad.
Your favorite part was
Sorry,
washing the dishes.
I'm really,
Washing the dishes. Yeah.
I'm really
Should've
glad
had a
that I
clip of you
assigned the
washing
sous chef.
dishes.
Was that your house class?
But yeah,
It was really good.
thank you guys so much for watching. Go watch that link in description. What about Bye bye. Oh, how awkward.
But it's authentic if it's awkward.
For real.
Don't forget to comment.
Oh, right.
Hit the notification bell down below.
Wow, damn, this is a YouTuber here. Alright, do you want to end the video?
No.
You did that last time. Yeah, you come on camera. Bye, guys.
I got it.
You got it?
Bruh.
Welcome to Binging with Edris and Lisa and Joanne and Alex.
How the camera has it.
Holy
I know, I literally can see you. Iris, I'm so excited for orange chicken. I literally have not eaten
Really?
orange chicken in so long. Like Panda Express, right? Like,
Comfort food.
Iris, watch out!
Oh, ASMR.
yo, these oranges are juicy.
She's moist.
No!
Is that enough oranges? Wow.
Wow. Yo, hit it. Yo, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
Look at this.
What's that noise?
It's very cinematic, is it not?
It's like a cooking channel.
I know.
Yeah, that's why I say hi.
No. Can you stop it? Edward, I'm out of here. It's you. It's all you now, Edward. It's all you now, Edward.
A little bit harder base. Being a little more Asian today.
I saw the lens. Molecularize it.
Dude, this is a little too cinematic professional for my channel.
Oh yeah, sorry. I realized like it looks really cinematic.
Iris, do you want to start from here? Hey everybody.
Hey everybody, welcome to Binging with Edris. Today we're making... Is this the intro?
Huh?
Is this the intro?
Yeah, we can edit in funny.
Hey everybody, welcome to Binging with Edris. Today we're making orange chicken and orange tofu. And this is my assistant, Edward.
This is my assistant, Iris.
No, you're the assistant.
No, I'm the head chef.
And then you're
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Just dice it up a little more, you know? Yeah.
We're making boba.
Yeah. There's gonna be a big old chunk of boba in the middle of our.
I love that. Wait, can we make boba?
Aesthetic ass